The new Tibet Railway, an affordable trip across the roof of the world. The Siberian Express across Russia to Moscow has been described as the best train ride in the world. Maybe not anymore. The Tibetan Railway from Qinghai to Lhasa has thrown its hat in the ring. It will eventually be extended to the Nepalese border, only an hour's drive from Kathmandu. Some things you might want to think about before boarding. Price. Tibetan Railway tickets are cheap, ranging from $49 to $180, depending on how much comfort you require and where you're coming from. Contrary to some information on the internet, though, a Tibet permit is also required for foreigners. They are relatively inexpensive and not difficult to obtain, and can be arranged through a travel agency. Altitude sickness. Tibet is often called the roof of the world, and the Tibetan Railway is the world's highest altitude railway. Nearly 1,000 kilometers of track have been laid at over 4,000 meters above sea level, and Tangula Station, at 5,068 meters above sea level, is the highest railway station in the world at. Lhasa sits on a high desert plateau. I flew to Lhasa from Chengdu in 1994 and got altitude sickness from my first breath of Tibet there. I stayed that way for the rest of the trip, and then spent the next 10 years wanting to go again, because it was worth every single minute of discomfort. Be warned, however, extreme altitude sickness can be life-threatening, and the only treatment is to get to a lower altitude as soon as possible. Accordingly, a trip to Tibet may not be appropriate for the elderly, the infirm, and people with lung ailments.